Are these plastic gears junk? Are these metal gears the solution? This beta came in today to get the oil pump gear upgrade, and we're going to see what kind of problems we see with these plastic ones over the metal ones. The gears that come installed in the bike are plastic. The ones that we're upgrading to are steel. What these do is they drive the oil pump. If there is a failure with the plastic gears, you could actually have a problem seizing the top end for not getting any oil flow. If you were to also have a water pump failure, the coolant contamination can actually contaminate the plastic and cause it to break. This could result in thousands of dollars in an engine rebuild. Why don't these come installed from the factory? Well, the stock gears are 1 ounce. The steel gears are 3.6 ounces. So weight is one factor. Second factor is noise. The gears meshing together on plastic seem to take a lot of the vibration and noise out of the engine. By upgrading to a steel oil pump gear, your engine will be a little bit louder, but more reliable. Cost is also a factor. The teeth on the backside of your clutch basket are going to drive the big gear. So if it breaks there, which is normally where we see the big gear is cracked, it won't be able to spin the actual gear connected to the oil pump, resulting in a complete engine failure. Is this upgrade really worth it? If you had a water pump failure, absolutely, you need to replace those gears no matter what. Even if you're replacing them with just the plastic gears, you need to replace them. They are contaminated. They will cause a failure. You will blow up your engine, and you will be mad at Beta, and it's not their fault. I've ran them for hundreds of hours on bikes for the past 12 years, and I haven't had a failure. I've seen a few failures come through the shop of people installing them wrong and admitting that they took the clutch basket out and it was their problem. But as far as a factory design, it's pretty solid. Now, you may notice it being a little bit louder. You may notice a little bit more vibration, but for most people, they couldn't tell. Do you need to do it off the showroom floor? No. Will it give you better peace of mind? Yeah. My bike currently has the stock plastic gears. I'm getting ready to do a top end soon, and during that time, I'll replace them with the steel pump gears. So, good, bad, that's your decision. What we've seen is if you actually have an oil pump gear failure, what it wipes out is the cam journals in the cylinder head, and then you're buying a whole new cylinder head, a whole new cam. It may have starved the crank. You can see a piston to cylinder seizure. This whole kit is about 220 bucks at this point in time, and I can guarantee you a whole engine rebuild needing a top end is a lot more than 200 bucks.